What I'm going to take forward, it's about a genuine collaboration with First Nation people. I want to see where within my role I can be able to influence much better in terms of the services provided to First Nation people who have disabilities in different regions in the Kimberley. I want to partake in the strategic plan of organization so that we can change the story where First Nation people can be able to contribute on what they want around their services rather than us telling them what services can be provided. I want to work closely with the NDS management around the Kimberley so that we can be able to kind of find a better setup for services for people who are living in very remote areas. And I hope that very likely in the next journey, I'm going to be able to be influential as well as collaborative in terms of my engagement with those parties and stakeholders.